Hello my friends, I hope you're doing well and feeling healthy. In this video, I'm going to show you a trick that I've used on percussion. Here, it might be considered fills in the drum section. Let's check it out. So, I'm not happy with the quality of the unprocessed sound. Unprocessed sound is dull and it's in depths. It's vanished in the song. But with this equalizer and stereo enhancer, it shows that energy and the feeling of starting or moving or changing something. It is like this in the whole song.
سلام عرض شد بدون که تو هم باعثی نموندی کنارم.
I didn't want it to be so shiny or so bright or has a lot of transients, but I wanted it to have better presence in the drum section or in the whole song. So this stereo enhancer widens the stereo field and helps the audio to have a different appearance in the mix. So let's check in the whole song.
سلام عرض شد بدون که تو هم باعثی نموندی سلام عرض شد بدون که تو هم باعثی نموندی کنارم.
It is a little bit wider and is more effective as a percussion or fills or whatever here it's doing. The EQ helped me bring up some, let's say, body and dip some of the woody quality or hardness of this percussion, and the high pass helped me clear out the sound field because this section doesn't need that much of a low end, and the low end belongs to bass and kick, especially bass. This technique is useful if you are dealing with a lot of drums multi-track that each one of them has its own low end, mid-range and high end, but we can clarify how we wanna mix with their roles on the mix. This percussion section has a different role than these drums, so I will give it its role space, whatever its role needs to occupy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and follow for more.